Usambut Menteri Kejala ubak Preston Teng Song negas ngi ulai merjemut halo kerkom perkat kawai ke election. Ula kentua bawa la ke nikamat kampat mi pertai benyatainya la ke day haga parlimen ne hayeng darbar tauan ula ong ba bola kloy ban kentua halo ke ni. Aba penpau ialah ke jong ke jing sngo ubak Preston ula banjur halo ke jing mentoi bandon ya kawai ke election hakari barok kawai. Ungait bakum ke ni ke rai kan penduna ya ke por bat ke jing lut jing sam bat ka jingbet jingbiang hagaban pendon kam kibrieu kat habadon kam ulah kedau ba ka jing pelong election bakha kha ringkat bat ka jing day hagaban pentri kam ya ka model code of conduct manla ka rieu ne nyo benai kala ban pentut ya ka jing ya chaprang ki program jong soka jela bat soka pedeng kane ka jing pentut kala ban khanglat ya ka jing ya chaprang bat kan pen kedat no ya ka jing don jing em na ki kam bakongsan.
We have one election, one nation. I think we'll be able to save a lot of time. We will be able to save a lot of funds, and we'll be also able to save a lot of manpower where we need to. Ultimately, once you have election, you understand. Even model code of conduct has to be implemented every 6 months or every 7 months, which ultimately it affects the overall developmental program of be it the central government or the state government.
Bapen pau ya ka jingi teli haloki